Hi folks, a very quick update on Apple. See what's going on here. This is a monthly VWAP. When any kind of moving average like this sees charts that are hyperextending away from them, there is a natural rubber band event, much like a Bollinger Band, that it wants to come back into that range. And of course I'm being a little human about the charts, but it is us as humans trading the charts. So here's what we're looking at today. The end of this day, we've had a couple of days where we did pretty well, moved to the upside. I'm looking at a 30-minute chart right here from December 17th to December the 18th. All right, and this gave us a nice little run. Where was it going? My thought, monthly VWAP. That's resistance event, 535 top end level. 534.67 actually, sitting around this area right here is the region that we were looking at, 535 as top threshold. It did hit that threshold and completely began to reverse. What's going to happen? Well, right now it's holding relative support. That's sitting right here. We're going to either bounce off of it or fail it. If we fail it, we are going to do a proper Fibonacci retracement, 522, 518, 514 potentially. All right? Most of the cycles have been running a 61.8 retracement event. If the chart is strong and we are inflecting to the upside, which I believe we are not, but if that were the case, what we would do is reach up here, hold 535 and continue to the upside. We could be in the middle of some kind of bearish formation that could cause a pop to the upside here. Hard to say. All we know is this: if we lose 525, we've got plenty more downside action in my mind, plenty more, $3, $5, $7, something like that. If we hold the region, we are going to chop around until we get above the 531, 532 area. If we get above 532, we still have 535 to contend with, and there is the monthly VWAP right there. So potentially we could have a run from the 531 to 537. Here's the thing, folks, this is noisy, and when you have noisy charting action, what you need to do is think about things from a level-to-level trading, and you do not think about things from a trending perspective. You can think about things from a trending perspective if you've pulled back, hit proper support, popped out of resistance, and then come back to retest it. All right? If you're looking for the highest probability event, that's exactly what you want to do. Right here, we don't have a trending event caused by the day today. This piece today gave us a lower high, a low, and then a retest to the low and a pop into another lower high. So all of that looks negative. Could it be just a standard retracement before it pops up? Yes. So we traded level to level. Simple as that. If indeed we are looking at, let's see how much this one retraced. This one retraced about 70.07. If we do something crazy like make it this one, 61.8 retracement event right there. Now it's coming back here. It could very easily come into 521, and that means it would traverse the 38.2 to 61.8 and then back again. If it holds support there, we could have some upside action. If it bounces from this level and clears this resistance about 523.84, I am going to take a little bit of a long. Ease it into that area. If it breaks down here, I know I don't have a long, that I'm going to fall back and come back into lower levels. That's just what it is that I anticipate is going to happen here with Apple. The last thing I want to show you is that, nope, we don't want to do Elliott wave. We may have the beginning of a Gartley, and this would be a bearish Gartley, and this wonderful, fabulous motive wave tool. There's the XA leg. Here, oops, I gotta get C. There's our C leg right there. That's not C, sorry. If we bounce from here, that's a C leg. Okay, now if we are moving in this formation, what it's telling us is that it should come into 522, before it pops up into the 78.6 region, which is right here at about 543, at which point it should collapse. Now, is it going to do that? I have no idea, but I am going to be watching it at this 522 area. It's another reason that I said, hey, listen, if I can bounce off 522 and hold this 522.50, 524 region, I am going to try and take a long to see where it is that I will end up. All right, thinking that it may very well come into this level. This makes sense because of this relative congestion right up here. All right, good luck trading Apple. Apple's been difficult for folks because they have bias associated. And if you've got bias associated with a formation or a chart, you are going to have difficulty trading it. That's just the nature of the human mind. All right, so try to leave that bias alone and, you know, trade well, right? Make a good go of it and focus on what it is you're doing, and good luck.